So if we wanted to use that, let's say we look in audio process where we've got this tremolo. If we wanted to incorporate a delay, so a delay system, then we would simply, we probably want one for left, and we probably want one for right. If you were to do this type of initialization of the object within another class, you can get a initialization of a non-static variable. So that is an alternative if you were to put those buffers within another class. Just for now, because we've declared these, if we want to, if we're going to audio process, for example, if I wanted to insert pbuff to I into the delay buffer, the methods, so we're going to insert sample, and we could just go, so that will place this first int16 into the circular buffer, and obviously you can do it for the right sample. So this will just feed and fill this mycirc buffer. To access mycirc buffer, you do it in exactly the same way. So we could say, and this is the delay value of k that we want. So if we put 100, this would pull out the it's essentially like the minus 100 sample, so n minus 100. And the nice thing about this method that we've adopted is we can pull out multiple delayed samples, and they are all in relation to the index that it's used that we write into this circular buffer with.